very lucky, Daddy. I've been fortunate to have 3 great men in my life.
Who's number 1?
You up, sweetheart. Daddy's been number 1.
I'll see you guys later.
Where you going?
I got some
Man,
shopping
she
to
got
do.
them ears
All right,
just
have
like
fun.
her grandsire.
Bye. Come on, Rick.
Great grand.
See you later, sweetheart. Yeah. Whoa.
Come on, you can add that.
I should have had that.
Yeah.
Should have had that.
That glove, it's not broken in all the way.
That's not broken in here. Is your arm not broken in here?
It's practically right to you, Rick.
That was practically right to me.
You know my dad would have had that.
Who's your dad? Shaquille O'Neal?
He used to be captain of his baseball team. He's great at all sports.
You know your dad's going to be working for me now. I hired him to build me some boats. Did he tell you that?
No, I didn't.
If your dad's such a great baseball player, Danny, how come he never tell you how to throw a baseball?
Never threw the ball.
And while you're standing there with your feet like this and putting the ball everywhere where I'm not, you throw a baseball, you point your foot to somebody so the ball goes through.
Just throwing the ball, right,
I'm going to
Rick?
throw the ball. I don't want to run for the ball. I want to jump for the ball. Let the ball come through me. Aim and concentrate. Come on, turn it.
Take
turn
it easy.
I am taking it easy, Danny. How the hell are you supposed to learn anything out here? Now come on, turn the ball loose. You throw like shit. Let's go.
You know, Rick, I don't want to play anymore.
Suit yourself.
Bring the gloves in when you're done. Don't ask me to play again if you're going to be a brat.